Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name, my name is David.
David, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Very good. That's okay. What part of the body is it? What part of the body is it? Say.
Face.
What part of the body is it?
No.
No. Not your nose. Not your nose, David. Not your nose. Touch your nose. Good. What part of the body is it? What part of the body is it?
Eye.
Eye. Touch your eye. Touch your eye. Touch your eye. Touch your eye. So how many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have, David? How many eyes do you have?
Wow.
Alright, good.
Now.
Wow. And how many mouths do you have? Yeah, how many mouths do you have? I have. David?
Now.
Okay, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? David, who is this?
Yeah.
Who is this?
Baby.
Who is this? Who is this, David?
Yeah.
Who is this?
Grandmother.
What color is it?
Red.
What color is it?
Blue.
What color can you see? What color is it?
Yellow.
What about this? What color? What color is it? Black.
Black.
Black. What number is it?
1,
Alright. Number is it?
3,
What number is it?
5,
What number is it?
7,
What number
8,
is it? Okay, what about it?
10.
What shape?
Square.
What shape is it?
Oval.
What shape? It's a red.
Red apple.
What shape is it? It's a circle.
Circle.
What toy do you have?
Dog.
What toy do you have?
Teddy bear.
What toy do you have?
Rubber.
What toy is it?
Oh.
Oh. And what toy do you have?
Cars.
Alright, David. Goodbye, David.
Goodbye, teacher.